love a yaki straight unit, especially when it's glueless and a bob for this hot heat weather. It's been real humid here in Los Angeles, and this unit is just for me. The non-slip technology allowed me. So this is the yaki straight 10-inch bob, okay? And this is a 7x5 closure with pre-plucked hairline, okay? And this is beginner friendly, and people like me who don't like to spend a lot of time on their units trying to perfect them, trying to customize them. So this is perfect for us that just want to put it on and go. So also noticing the lace appears to be a little bit tinted, and I like that. The knots are really nice and small, and it's a pre-cut lace. Like, girl, I don't have to do anything, and I'm loving the quality of this lace. It's giving HD lace, if I'm correct. So, you know, being that I am darker complexion, lace is really important, and making sure having the best good lace really matters with that too. So I am really impressed how neat the cap construction is. It's beautiful. I love this non-slip technology. This really works, along with the drawstring at the nape. These are really coming into play for me because a lot of my wigs be too big. But being that I have the elastic band here and the drawstring, that, you know, fixes all in any kind of problem. So when I first put this on, for one, it was real tight with all this extra security. Definitely be mindful and don't make your wig too tight, but the security is definitely there, okay? I am able to go glueless with this one, being that I have all that extra security, and it's laying beautifully. I haven't done anything. The lace looks amazing, just off the rip. Out of the box. I'm loving it so much. And you know I love a good bob too. And the density of this one is pretty nice too. So I did put every yaki straight texture wig that I've owned. I've been able to get 2.5 years out of consistent use of it. Because over time, it gets more, you know, it gets more wear. It starts to look even more natural in my opinion, especially depending on the density that you do get. And with this unit, I really love the density. I think it looks very, very natural, and this hair can withstand heat. So the flat iron is on 410 degrees, and you know, a couple passes, and that was really it, okay? So also with these kind of units, it's just a matter of how well you take care of it too, to get it to last the 2.5 years with washing and conditioning. So this unit does have layers in the front, and I just wanted to kind of clean them up just a little bit. And I love that this wig has layers in the very front of the bob, because that makes it look even more natural, because a lot of our hair isn't all one length, especially mine right now. And I also like that this wig looks super natural to the point where, like, if I wanted to experiment with a bob without having to cut my actual hair first, I could get the look with this. And I love that it's glueless. The lace is sitting nice and close to my head, and that's always kind of like something that I'm iffy about when it comes to wigs. So I'm really happy that the lace is laying really nice and flat, and it's hugging my head. So I have the elastic band, the drawstring, allowing me to go glueless. But if you were to go glue with this, it would be an effortless blend, okay? So I have a beautiful blunt cut with this unit. It is 10 inches. And so I am just really liking how this looks. It's giving me a long. You know what I mean? I like it. Now with wigs, there are some things that you would just have to, you know, snip away, just making sure that it's a little more customized to your liking. So later on, I did just snip just a little extra hair so the wig can lay a certain kind of way on my shoulders. And that's actually normal when it comes to bob units, that you will have to do that. But it's really comfortable. I'm loving the shine, and the non-slip technology is what I'm really, really impressed with, being that I don't do glue with a lot of my units, and slipping and sliding is normally like something I'm, you know, a little worried about. But with this one, no. It's not doing any of that slippage and slide edge. So it's very lightweight. I love this unit, very comfortable, very beginner friendly. You know what I mean? If you don't want to do a lot, this is perfect. And the 7x5 lace is beautiful. It looks great. It's like, what glue do we need? We don't need glue. And that's actually how I typically like to wear my units, is glueless. And I'm happy that I'm able to do that with this one. So yeah, she's real cute. You know, I'm excited to see what she would look like if I were to do glue, but it's totally unnecessary. So it's so lightweight. I can swing her around and all of the things. She's real cute, all-purpose wig. And I just wanted to curl the very front pieces because I see that we have our layers here. So I wanted to see, like, I want to give a little feather moment. So I took a large barrel curling iron. This is an extra large, about, is this a 1/2 inch barrel? And look at that, it just fell effortlessly. So like if you wanted to curl this, it would look absolutely stunning. And I love the texture and how it looks with this larger barrel curl. And I think it looks even more natural, you know, especially with this texture and everything like that. So I like that I could curl this and it gives blowout. Real effortless, real cute. It's kind of giving knee along. You know what I mean? I love it. I love a good bob. So I really love the length of this bob. I think it's perfect for the summertime, being that it is really humid here in Los Angeles. So this unit is absolutely perfect for me. I love the feathered look. I love how lightweight this unit is too. And the curl held. Like I'm looking at the wig right now and the layers are still kind of flowing beautifully with this curled front area that I decided to pop in so I could see what it's giving. So